Shade is a rapidly deployable telecommunication system for use in areas where existing infrastructures do not exist or have been destroyed. Shade has been designed for use in a wide range of applications, including high-intensity conflicts, post-conflict as well as natural disasters such as a tsunami or pandemic outbreaks such as bird flu. It can also be used to restore communications in the aftermath of a terrorist attack or as backup at large public events such as the World Cup. The system comprises a multi-level security wide-area network that enables headquarters or office facilities to be deployed in environments where no telecommunications are currently available. It delivers voice and internet facilities across a satellite communications bearer to a UK control centre where terrestrial connectivity exists. Shade is packaged in ruggedized portable air-checkable containers, each of which meets the new 23-kilogram weight limit imposed by airlines worldwide. Deployment is a rapid process, and an experienced Spectra engineer can set the system up and provide connectivity within an hour, depending on configuration. Shade can be housed in any kind of structure, the only stipulation being that the satellite dish antenna has a clear view of the satellite in the sky at all times. In this first configuration, Shade is being set up in a tented, temporary environment. Later, we will show it in a vehicle providing a mobile environment. Firstly, the core of the deployable unit is set up. This is contained in robust flight cases and contains a router, satellite modem, rack-mounted server and a Patapsco box which contains ISDN to IP, so it can be sent over the network. Power and Ethernet cables are connected. Before we power up the equipment, the satellite antenna must be set up. The precise location of the satellite is acquired by pointing the dish in the general direction of the satellite and then using a meter to pinpoint the maximum signal strength. Once acquired, dialogue can start between the Spectra engineer and the satellite ground station to gain access to the pre-ordered bandwidth. From as little as 256 kilobits to as much as 8 megabits, depending on user requirements. All available bandwidth is dedicated to that single user, so the required throughput is guaranteed. Once the airtime has been activated, the equipment can be powered up. The routers, servers, laptops and phones. The basic configuration comprises 5 IP phones and 5 laptops. This can of course be scaled depending on how many users need to access the system. When determining bandwidth requirements, it's important to consider the number of users and the applications that they will be using. There is obviously a major difference in bandwidth usage for streaming video compared with just browsing the internet. A telephone and laptop makes up a single workstation, providing full internet and voice connectivity. Dial tone can be picked up from the local area or the UK. This will significantly reduce call costs on international calls if calling numbers in the UK. If the user has a virtual private network system, this can be simply loaded onto the laptop to provide a secure connection to the user's network anywhere in the world. Shade is encrypted with AES as standard. If additional measures are required, such as government-level security, it's a simple plug-and-play operation. An ISDN connection can also be provided to allow the direct connection of ISDN phones. Because Shade is IP-based, it is very easy to enhance the system with the addition of a wide-area voice environment that connects otherwise incompatible two-way wireless radios, such as military-grade radio, to a commercial radio. Also, a wireless radio system can be connected to the IP network or terrestrial telephone network. The heart of the system is Shade Central, the UK-based hub which provides connectivity to the Internet, PSTN, ISDN, or any other specific requirements to the terrestrial network. An unlimited number of deployed locations can be tunnelled from the outstation to this hub. An alternate Shade Central hub is also available to provide 100% redundancy. Shade is completely flexible to meet specific user requirements, and as you can see here, can be deployed in any configuration. The system can be used in mobile environments as shown here, being deployed in the back of a 4x4 with connection through a BGAN providing connectivity for a couple of users. This vehicle is self-contained and provides all power for the system.